So we have to plan some content. Have you ever just was like, one day I'm gonna take content seriously? That's me. As you see here, I'm planning content, what outfits I'm going to wear for this video. But let's start taking content seriously. You never know where it could lead you. And I can say in this season, I'm not writing my story. I'm just letting God write my story, and I'm utilizing the tools that He's given me to build a brand from scratch. So follow me along with this journey as I record and show you an insight as into what my days look like with planning content, shooting, and just growing this channel overall. Let's see what I can do. So in this clip, you see me planning content, writing it down, making sure it's good. To me, planning content can be, it makes it go easier. Some things may not go as you want them. However, you have a story to tell. Tell your story through your content.